Hi, this is Barney from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at a queen palm tree. I was calling it something else the other day, but then when I started looking at the actual palm, I said, no, it's not what I thought it was, and I just had to relabel it. And it actually is queen palm seeds. I got 1, 2, 3 pots of queen palm seeds. Queen palm seeds, to put things in perspective, when people buy homes in South Florida, a few of the palm trees that seem to get tossed around and put into landscapes because they're readily available and, as I would say to the public, cheap. The only trouble with wake up, Marty, queen palm, is that it is what I call a nightmare maintenance, as you can see from the picture right there. So it's not that it's costly. You got a few bucks in your pocket. You got a maintenance program. Like basically every other month, you'll be out there cutting off the fronds. The fronds just don't tend to fall off easily. You have to get a chainsaw or one of those long clippers and be on a ladder or short ladder or something and attack them to cut them off. So it's once every 2 months you got to do maintenance on it. So if you like queen palm trees, you got a few extra palm, you have no problem with landscape costs. This is the palm. It is very pretty when this little puppy is growing and you maintain it properly, add the nutrients, the fertilizer, and the proper landscaping. The only trouble is most of the landscapes down here, when they deal with the palm trees, they don't go by, what's the term, not botanists, an arborist or something like that they call them. And these are the guys that actually cut the palm trees the way they should, appropriately palm trees. Most of the ones that go out there and cut it, they give you a quote price, so they find out how much they're going to charge you, and then what they do is they basically cut off almost everything on the palm tree except the last 3 or 4 sheets that are standing up in the air, and it looks like shit basically. But anyway, if you're going to do